to change location on Snapchat Maps. For that, first thing first, open Snapchat, and let me inform you that there is no specific way in order to change location on Snapchat Maps using the Snapchat itself. Let me show you. Let's tap on the Snapchat Maps icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you get access to this, you just have to tap on gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. When you scroll down and see, here is no any search option that says to change location on Snapchat Maps. Just here is the option to hide your live location, and if you want that your friends not to see your location, then you can turn on the ghost mode. Or you can also quick share the live location to your friends on Snapchat, change your outfit of Bitmoji and suggest a place. So there is no any option to change location on Snapchat Maps on Snapchat itself. So you just have to download any third party app and only you'll be able to change location on Snapchat Maps. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.